let's simplify the right solution. Now, before solving for the square root, look at the one inside and check if there is any way you can work around it. Now, we have the square root of h raised to the power 2 times 4n plus 1 all over 2 raised to the power 2n times 16. Let's start with this 8 raised to the power 2. 8 raised to the power 2 is 8 times 8. So we represent it as square root of 64 times 4n plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 2n times 16. Now, please do not touch the raised to powers. Nothing can divide out here, but the numbers can divide. 16 in itself is 1. 16 here is 4, right? We have square root of 4 times 4n plus 1 over 2n. Now, we have 4 times 4. Well, remember that in laws of indices, we say this 4 is still the same as 4 raised to the power 1. If we have a raised to the power n times a raised to the power y, it simply means a raised to the power n plus y. Okay? Now, applying this here, we can say the square root of 4 raised to the power 1 plus n plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 2n. Now, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? Therefore, this is the square root of 4 raised to the power n plus 2 over 2 raised to the power 2n. Now, if we look at 4 as the base, one thing shall come to our mind that we can make it to be in this form as well. Now, how can we do that? 4 is the same as 2 raised to the power 2, right? So this 4, we replace it with 2 raised to the power 2, put these in brackets to remind you that you must use the 2 to multiply everything here. 2 raised to the power 2n. Now, going further, we have the square root of 2 raised to the power 2n plus 4 over 2 raised to the power 2n. Right? Now, in indices, we have 2 here and we have 2 here. We said when it is division, we simply subtract. Now, that is a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power y simply means a raised to the power n minus y. Applying it here, we have 2 raised to the power 2n plus 4 minus 2n. Because if we apply the division sign, this 2n will just be subtracting, just like the raised to the power here. Now, moving further, we'll be left with square root of 2 raised to the power 4. And 2 raised to the power 4 is what? 16, right? Which is the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. I hope this is clear. Bye.